Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share some super helpful tips on how to sit comfortably during your first trimester of pregnancy. This is such an important topic because finding the right way to sit can really make a big difference in how you feel every day. Choosing the right chair. First thing first, pick a chair that supports your back well. A chair with good back support is super important. It helps keep your back straight and comfy. If your chair feels too hard, try adding a soft cushion. Use a footrest. Your feet might get swollen during pregnancy, so it's great to use a footrest. This helps keep your feet a little raised and makes you feel more relaxed. Sitting position. Now let's talk about how to actually sit. Gently sit down and make sure your back is straight. Don't slouch, it's bad for your back and baby. Keep your feet flat on the ground or on your footrest. Using a cushion for support. Sometimes your lower back might feel a bit sore. It's a good idea to put a small cushion or a rolled up towel behind your lower back for extra support. Taking breaks. Sitting for too long isn't good, even if you are super comfy. Try to stand up and walk around a little bit every hour. It's good for your body and helps keep the blood flowing. Keep moving. Small movements while sitting are also helpful. Wiggle your toes, stretch your legs, and move your ankle in circle. It keeps your leg from feeling stiff. Mind your legs. Try not to cross your legs. It's better to keep them uncrossed to help with blood flow. Stay relaxed. The most important thing is to stay relaxed and not stressed. If you're feeling comfy and relaxed, your baby will too. And that's it. Those are our easy tips for sitting comfortably during your first trimester. Every pregnancy is different, so always listen to your body and do feels what's best for you. Before we go, we would love for you to join our community. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more pregnancy tips and tricks. Also, share your own tips or experience in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy everyone.